You might think the brake pads are completely worn out, but if you take it to a mechanic and just ask for a replacement, you might be wasting your money. Let's see how this mechanic tackles the problem. First, he removes the rear wheel to get access to the drum brake assembly. After taking it apart, he inspects the brake shoes and finds that they are still in perfectly good condition. The problem isn't worn pads. Here's the clever trick. The issue is often a worn brake cam, the part that pushes the shoes apart. To fix this, the mechanic takes a metal hose clamp and cuts out the middle section. He then carefully wraps this small metal strip around the brake cam. This acts as a shim, effectively increasing the cam's diameter. Now, when the brake is applied, the cam will push the brake shoes outward sooner, and with more force after fitting the shim. He cleans the assembly with a brush and reinstalls the brake shoes. He also applies a bit of grease to the cam and other moving parts to ensure smooth operation. Next, he takes some sandpaper and roughs up the surface of the brake shoes. This removes any glaze and improves their grip. He does the same for the inside surface of the brake drum, cleaning out any dust and debris afterwards. With all the components clean and prepared, he puts the brake plate back into the wheel hub. The wheel is off. It's a good time for other maintenance. He applies fresh grease to the rear axle. Before sliding the wheel back into place on the swing guard, he reattaches the brake linkage and tightens the main axle nut. The job isn't done yet. He then opens up the chain guard and uses a tool to scrape away all the old, dirty grease and grime from the chain and sprockets. After cleaning, he applies fresh lubricant. Finally, he puts the chain guard back on, tightens everything up, and makes the final adjustments to the brake pedal. Let's see the result. The brake pedal is now firm and responsive, with very little travel needed to engage the brake. A simple and clever fix that saved the cost of new parts. Now you know the secret.